Next, let's go over how to sew the cat together. We crocheted a total of 4 limbs. We can use 2 strands of yarn to do some simple embroidery on the cat's paws. After folding the body in half and sewing it up, the 2 front legs will be sewn on right where I'm showing you now. One will be sewn on the front center and the other one on the side. You can sew on the 2 back legs wherever you prefer. The tail can be sewn directly onto the designated spot. Next is the head assembly. The ears will be sewn on symmetrically to the 3rd round of the head. We'll also use 2 strands of yarn for the eye embroidery. You can embroider the shape of the eyes however you like. Don't forget the nose and whiskers. Finally, thread the tapestry needle with the reserved yarn tail and sew it on simply at the spot I'm demonstrating. You can adjust the angle of the cat's head according to your own preference. Find the right angle and simply sew around the edge of the head. Your adorable little cat is complete. Come and crochet it.